Welcome to Educarehub channel video. In the dynamic landscape of social media, TikTok has emerged as a powerhouse in today's digital marketing world, boasting over 1 billion active users globally. Its unique appeal lies in short-form videos, capturing the attention of audiences worldwide and making it an ideal platform for businesses to connect with potential customers. First important point, understand the TikTok ads platform. To effectively navigate TikTok ads, it's crucial to comprehend its diverse ad formats and targeting options. To embark on a successful TikTok ads campaign, a comprehensive understanding of the platform is essential. Ad formats: in-feed ads, brand takeovers, top view ads. Targeting options: demographics, interests, behaviors, custom audiences. Create effective ad campaigns. Crafting effective ad campaigns on TikTok demands a strategic approach rooted in the platform's dynamic nature. Begin by clearly defining your campaign goals, whether it's boosting brand awareness, capturing leads, or driving sales. Define your campaign goals: brand awareness, lead generation, sales. Develop ad creative, visual appeal, engagement, concise messaging. Measure your results. Effectively measuring your results on TikTok is paramount to refining and optimizing your advertising strategy. Utilize the platform's comprehensive set of trackable metrics, including impressions, clicks, conversions, and cost per acquisition (CPA). Trackable metrics: impressions, clicks, conversions, cost per acquisition (CPA). Analyze and adjust. Regularly review, adjust targeting, creative elements, and budget based on performance insights. Understanding the performance metrics allows businesses to refine their strategies, ensuring ongoing success and a high return on investment. Additional tips for success with TikTok ads: start small, experimentation, high-quality creative, continuous optimization. In conclusion, TikTok ads is a powerful avenue for businesses of all sizes to achieve their marketing goals. By understanding the platform, creating effective ad campaigns, and tracking results, businesses can tap into TikTok's vast audience to drive brand awareness, generate leads, and increase sales. For more information, visit our website www.educarehubchannel.com. Please like, comment, and subscribe our YouTube channel.